Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across the channel, kindly like and subscribe to this channel and put on your notification bell to get notified when we post a new tutorial. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you the simplest way to cut a palazzo pant. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is to take our trouser measurements. I already went ahead to mark out the start point. So I'll just mark out my before knee measurement, which is 20, and I went ahead to mark out my full trouser length, which is 39 inches. So I'll just mark that again, so I'll be able to connect my lines. This is actually the part 2 of the video I posted earlier. The video of the two piece I posted earlier. So this is the tutorial for the palazzo. This is a very simple tutorial. So I'm just connecting my lines. So the cross line we are using for this palazzo pant, I'll be using 9 inches because I'll be adding a 2-inch band to it. So I'll be using 9 inches. Just going to connect that now. So now we have our crotch line, our before knee line, and our trouser length measurements. So the next thing we are going to be doing is coming up by 2 inches to get our crotch line. Came up by 2 inches from the 9 inches I took earlier. And I'll just connect it. So after I'm done connecting that, so now I'm going to take my thigh measurement, and for that I have 26 inches, but I'll be adding 1 inch to it, which is 27, and I'll be dividing that by 2, which will give me 13.5 inch. So I just went ahead to mark that. Then I came in by 2 inches. I also marked that on the line I have above. So I'll just connect it so you understand. So the next thing I'm going to do is to divide my hip into 4. And for my hip measurement, I have 40. So I'll divide it by 4. I'll have 10 inches. Because this is an elastic waistband, so I'm going to be using my hip measurement. I just went ahead to mark that. I marked 10 inches. And I'm going to connect that to get my crotch line. So I already went ahead to connect that. This is actually a very simple tutorial. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to mark our thigh measurements on our before the knee line. And for that we have 13 inches. It's actually 26 inch divided by 2, so we have 13 inches. I'm just going to mark that. It's the same measurement we used to get our crotch, just that we added 1 inch then. But now I won't be adding any allowance. We're just going to mark it that way. I will go ahead to mark it on our line. "13 inches." Just mark that. And we'll connect it. I'm actually using my free hand to connect, as you can see. Connect. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to cut it off now. So we are done with the cutting of our front part. Before I started the tutorial, I went out to mark out ½ inch for my start line. So that is what I'm cutting out. This is actually a very simple tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment, and ask any questions you have. So this is it. So this is it for the front part. I'm just going to cut out the back part now. So for the back part, we won't be doing much. This is a very simple tutorial. I'm just going to be adding 1 inch all the way down from my waist to the hem of the trouser. The first thing I'm going to do is to add 1 inch to my crotch line. Okay, I'm trying to draw out so you understand what I mean. 1 inch, and I'm just going to take my measurement 1 inch down, as you can see. So I'm connecting that now. This is already free, so I don't need to add much. It's already a very free trouser, so I don't want to add much. So on our waistline, I also came out by 1 inch, and I came out by 1 inch here too. And I'm going to connect that to my crotch. Just like this. This is all we have to do. Just like this. Then for the back of the trouser, I'm going to be coming up by 1 inch to balance my back. Going up by 1 inch. It's optional though. If you don't want to add 1 inch, fine, to still work. But I like to add mine. I'm going to just connect that to my side of my trouser. Then we are going to cut out. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe, like and comment to help me grow, please. So I'm just cutting that out now. I know you might be wondering why I'm cutting that out. When I was taking my body measurements, I didn't add that, so that's why I'm cutting it out. So this is all for the cutting of this palazzo trouser. I told you it was very easy. So I already went ahead to cut out a piece of fabric for my pocket, which was 10 inches wide and 9 inches in length. Then I marked out 3" and 6" and I'm connecting it. I'm just cutting that out. So now we have our pocket. Then I also went ahead to cut out my waistband, which was 5" down and 41 inches long. So now I'm going to be showing you how to join this. I'm going to be joining it with half an inch round. I'm joining it with half an inch. So I'm going to show you what it looks like already. I already went ahead to join mine and also join my pocket. If you want a tutorial on how to join your pockets, you can tell me in the comment section. So this is what it looks like when I join my pocket and join the front, so you can see. So I'm going to join it with the back now. I'm going to close it up. So I already closed it up with half an inch all through, all round. Join them with half an inch round, as you can see. And I'll be attaching my waistband. For my waistband, I went ahead to cut out an elastic, a 2" elastic, which was 25 inches long. I'm going to attach it to our waistband. So this is what it looks like when I was done attaching my waistband. As you can see, I went ahead to sew it with ½ inch, and I also folded my trouser length. I folded in with 1 inch. I'm going to turn it over now so you can see what it looks from the outside. So this is all for this tutorial. If you stay to the end of this tutorial, please kindly subscribe, like and comment. If you have any question, we are free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.